Hi, it's Benjamin with Safe Drive Solutions, and this is the Thinkware F200 Pro. So, what comes in the box? First things first is the front camera. This is 1080p resolution. On the top here you'll see this is actually your power connector. The side is the optional GPS antenna, and down below is your rear camera video input. You can adjust it by this swivel mount that adapts to it just by switching it back and forth here and tightening it to set up the angle. It comes with a hardwire cable, cigarette lighter cable, and a rear camera, which is also 1080p resolution. It has a 32 gigabyte SD card, which will give you about 2 hours of continuous record time. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out.